Okay, let's demonstrate how to start dealing with the homework. First, we have installed SAG client. So it says we need to download the file for the first homework. I recommend just create a new folder in your CS201 work folder, and you can just go to VS Code and open this folder. So if you go to your CS201 work, and then you double click, it will open this folder called homework, and it's empty. So now you need the command line interface. So you do Control tilde, and then you have a terminal. Just paste in this. And you have a homework0.tar.gz file. And then you just do this. And you should get a folder, and you can delete this. And inside this, you should have a folder for each task. You need to cd to each of these folders. So if you do this, you have homework 0. So you do cd, and then you have these 3 folders, and you cd to any of them, and then you do make init-pull. So you see it created this hello world.java file. So it's the same for the other 2. And once you finish the work, you just in the same directory, in this directory, you just make submit. And it failed because I didn't put anything. If you don't have your Java environment handled, you can just click on this Java project, and you can click on the dots and do configure Java Runtime. And you have options to install a JDK. You can just choose whichever JDK you want, and VS Code will handle the process for you. And also you can do configure classpath. So for this course, we need the Std library. You can add the library to this path. So wherever you put your std.jar file in, for example, I put it here, I just select it, and it will work. So for example, and in this one we have we have a standard draw.java. Because we just configure the class path, we can just delete it. And if we use triangle, and if it's using standard draw, so if we click the run here, add to source file. It will run, and it showed this triangle. So if we didn't do that, and we deleted this standard draw, so if we cross this off, and it will say error because there's no standard draw class. And that's pretty much it. You're all set.